video. I'm going to be doing my hair for this video. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so I've got my hair brush, my hairbrush. This one's not good, so I'm just going to put it aside. My hair's kind of naughty. I will be crimping my hair. So I usually brush my hair first. I just brush the tops for now. And then I get my crimper. Move all this stuff aside. And I plug it in. Be very careful and fire guardian or something. My dad is behind the camera, so I'm completely safe. So don't touch this when it's getting hot, because this gets hot really fast, okay? Okay, so just let it be. So I brushed out my hair. Now I'm going to take this. It's ready. And I'm just taking little pieces. Just taking little pieces. And you hold them at one spot. Oh, see, I didn't hold that long enough. So you just hold it until it's ready. So I'm going to fast forward after this piece, show you to the finishing touch. It'll only be like a couple seconds for you, but for me, it'll take like a couple hours. See, now that I've missed the bottom piece. There. Now, see, this part keeps going in and I don't want it in. So I'm just gonna straighten it out. So what I do is I just hold it there for a bit then. Good enough. But that's what it's gonna look like, except I'm gonna brush it out after. And I will see you guys when I am done this. Okay? Oh, hold on. I'm just gonna fix the top of here. See you guys when I'm done. Bye. Okay, so I'm all done. Ooh, I forgot to turn this off, so I don't burn my house down. But anyways, this is the finished look. I think it looks very fluffy for it's super fluffy, but I really like it. I kind of like it. is super puffy. There's the back bit. I don't know how I did on the back. It feels very less puffy. But that's okay. Hopefully. But anyways, that was my video. So, yeah. Bye. Peace.